Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in Fortnite. Just an important note or disclaimer. So Epic Games officially discontinued their account merge tool since 2019. So as of 2025, as of today, you can't really merge two separate Fortnite accounts into one like before. However, I have some few ways to consolidate this one. So step 1, understanding what's possible. So set expectations that you cannot really merge your V-Bucks balances between separate two Epic accounts. You cannot really transfer purchases or skins from one account to another. However, you can connect PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, and PC accounts to one Epic account. Next up, you need just to pick which Epic account yet you want. Choose the one that has most skins, most purchases, and Battle Pass progresses. Log into the Epic Games and choose that specific account. Now to make sure that that's the only account you're using, hover your username and click account, and look for connections, then go to accounts tab. Now disconnect any unwanted accounts, basically leaving the main account altogether. And step 6, link your device to your cross Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, etc. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.